How to get a Kareo free trial. Kareo is a cloud-based medical software platform designed for electronic health records (EHR), practice management, and medical billing. While Kareo does not offer a free trial, they provide a personalized demo to help you explore their features. Step 1. Visit the Kareo demo request page. Go to the official Kareo website and navigate to the demo request section. Look for the Request a Demo button. Step 2. Complete the form. Enter your full name, email address, and phone number. Provide details about your medical practice, including specialty and number of providers. Step 3. Submit your request. Click Request a Demo to finalize your submission. Your request will be sent to Kareo's support team. Step 4. Await contact from Kareo. A Kareo representative will reach out via email or phone. They will schedule a live demo session at a time convenient for you. Step 5. Attend the live demo. During the demo, you will be guided through Kareo's EHR, practice management, and billing features. Ask questions to understand how Kareo can fit your practice's needs. Step 6. Decide on subscription options. After the demo, you can choose a subscription plan that suits your business. If needed, request additional resources or customer support before making a final decision. By following these steps, you can explore Kareo's features through a live demo and determine if it meets your medical practice's requirements.